Horned frogs or strange pets. Horned frogs, also known as horned toads or horned lizards, are a group of lizards found in the deserts of North and South America. They are known for the horn-like projections on their heads, which are used for defense. Some species of horned frogs are also able to inflate their bodies to make themselves appear larger and more intimidating to predators. They are also popular as pets. They are known for their diet as they eat mostly insects, spiders, and other small invertebrates. Several species of horned frog are available as pets, the most common being the Argentine horned frog. They are, predictably, native to Argentina, but are also found in parts of Uruguay and Brazil too. These frogs are also sometimes called Pac-Man frogs because of their comparatively wide mouth, making them similar in appearance to the computer game character from the 1980s. Female Argentine horned frogs grow to be larger than their male counterparts, although it is difficult to determine the sex of a horned frog until they reach maturity. Females can grow to around 15 cm, whereas males rarely reach 12 cm. With the correct care, these frogs can live to 10 years or more. Hope you like our video. Please press share the video. Or leave a comment under the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.